Hey, what's up everybody? How you doing? Welcome back to Karpo Gaming. The HUANUO monitor arm is amazing. I needed to pick one of these up for my PC, and well, we're about to see how easy it is to install. According to the product manual, it's supposed to be easy. Well, today we're going to find out. You know what to do. Once again, thanks for watching everybody. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get started. First thing first, if you decide to pick this up, it is awesome. It is very easy to put together, but what do you get if you decide to get the HUANUO single dual monitor arm? Well, inside of the box, you're going to have yourself an easy installation. We're about to see how easy it is to install. And we also have ourselves the manual, which comes in multiple different languages with installation instructions. Now, there's going to be a few ways that you can mount this. You can drill this into whatever piece of wood or table that you have, or you can use the clamp. Now, I wasn't sure if the clamp was going to be strong enough. Turns out it is. It is an amazing design. You just put the screw in. There's these little rivets inside of the holder for the arm, and well, here is the clamp. Now, this clamp is going to fit it right inside here. There's different notches that you can adjust to the thickness of whatever table or desk you're using. And here is where all the magic happens. A spring mounted PC arm, and it attaches all together very easily. My dude, I was very shocked how easy this was to put together. And last but not least, well, you have yourself, voila, the lovely bolts and screws as well. They also give you a nice little card for references if you want to get in contact with product placement. And last but not least, the connector piece, which your wires can conveniently fit inside on the bottom. So that is what is inside of the box. Now, it do come with one special tool, an Allen wrench with a nice Phillips wrench on the other end. This is exactly what you need. I didn't use that. I have my own Allen wrenches and screws, so you know, I'm good to go. But they also have a whole bunch of screws for you to install. Some short ones, some long ones. So depending on your monitor, you should have everything good to go. According to the product placement and the installation guide, it's supposed to be super easy. Well, I put it together and it was super easy. The bottom part right here with the ridges fit easily inside with one screw. And well, you just get the small little piece right here. And like I've said previously, there are some notches that you can put down on the thickness of your table. You just adjust it and you screw it in just like this. It was super easy to install, my dude. This is how I installed the arm on my monitor. And well, it was easy. Just like the product placement said, it can snap in and spin around and you can adjust it. Let's try this bad boy out. Here is the arm, here is the connector piece, and the HUANUO arm with the spring loaded and mounted ability. Here we go. Easy peasy. You just snap it in like so. It snap into place, and that's it. You just grab the arm and that easily snaps into place. And all you have to do is put in the screws into the back of your monitor and you can swing and spin and shout. It is easy. I would say it take you less than 5 minutes to put all of this together, literally, even installing the monitor. So yeah, it is super easy to install. All of the parts come into the box. I literally just had to screw in one screw, adjust the small little adjuster to the thickness of my desk, and I was good to go. I didn't need to adjust anything as far as the screen is concerned for the arm piece. It comes with 4 different screws. You can adjust it to any screen that you want. And yes, it is a spring mounted feature as well where you can adjust it. I didn't need to adjust anything as well, but they also have this small little ability where you can turn it, and well, I actually didn't need to turn mine at all. It was perfectly ready to go, perfectly for my monitor. So as far as the product is concerned, it is awesome. If you need to get yourself a very durable arm for your PC, the HUANUO arm is absolutely fantastic. And yes, as far as the installation is, it is super easily, just like they said it was. But for right now, that's pretty much going for the video. Hope you truly enjoyed it. Now, as always, if you're new to the channel, how you doing? Welcome. Don't forget to subscribe right here at Karpo Gaming for the white rated videos. So thanks for watching, and as always, I'll be seeing y'all in the next one. Later.